a strip club in Macau. So this is like the only strip club in the city that I'm aware of. I don't know if I can film here, but let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Here's something that doesn't get filmed very often. The Estrada dos Paris, street of the French, of the Parisians. I don't know. Pretty cool looking tree right there. So anyways, there's this, like, it says 1917, this beautiful, almost like castle looking place, and there's a bunch of them right here, a bunch of Portuguese places that we pretty much have no access to. And I don't know, I think I've seen pictures of them, but I don't know how you'd get to them. And then you can also see this kind of forestry thing, and then it goes all the way down there, and these are some casinos. There's a bridge way down over there to Hong Kong. So there's a bridge to Hong Kong that connects to Macau now. So you can drive all the way over there by buses if it wasn't closed with the coronavirus. Then there's this little park here, and you can go down different steps, which we probably will do later. But I just want to show you this corner, because this is, well, for one, there's no sidewalk on this one, so I'm walking in a pretty dangerous spot. And you can see this black and yellow right here. This is the black and yellow is from the race cars as well, so we're gonna have to get across in a minute, get out of this dangerous spot. You can see this little thing to help people get to where they need to go. And so anyways, and then there's this other Portuguese building right there, which is up in the hillside, mountainside, and I think we can get across right now. So we're gonna run across. And actually this is pretty amazing. I'll also just kind of show you something real quick here too. There's a strip club in Macau. So this is like the only strip club in the city that I'm aware of. I don't know if I can film here, but so if we went up this way, which I was originally going to do, but I might end up going down instead. But if you go up this way, you can follow up to Gia Hill. There's a lighthouse way up here, so you can follow this and kind of go all the way up into here. But man, there's like so much cool stuff everywhere, right? So there it is right here, Gia Fort and Gia Garden and Gia Hill, which is where the lighthouse is at. But what I'm going to do instead, I haven't filmed any of this anyways. I've explored it before. So we're going to walk by the Playmates again, and we're going to walk down. And now we're kind of walking back down into the city again, and I'm just going to film a little bit in this spot. If you saw one of my other more recent films, there was one here with this kind of abandoned looking building, but there's a college up there. So we're just going to walk straight down. So anyways, that's just another little side of Macau. So, okay, surrounded by tall buildings, one of the most densest cities in the world. And we just kind of went up into the hill a little bit, and we're gonna come back down into the mess of stuff. So let me just see, this is at 3 minutes and 45 seconds. I'll go down a little bit more just so you can get some context, as I often do, put a little bit of context to things. So, and then here's this kind of typical Macau Apartments. You can see those kind of cage, boxy looking things. Look like you're in prison, but I think are kind of cool actually, because that means you can keep your windows wide open and never have to worry about anything at all. So, not that you would anyways with Macau. Huh. Another interesting place. I don't know what this building is either. But you can see there's like a 1928. All kinds of cool stuff in Macau. You just never know what you're going to come across, basically. All these boxy apartments. And then straight down is Liceu Chinesa Primary School for kids. And we're going to walk right into it. And there's just a lot of stuff to film everywhere in Macau. Dang. I've tried to film in other places, but this one just kind of has the most value for your buck. You know, if you're going to try to film a city, this one just has just oozing with all kinds of stuff. So what we're gonna do next is we're just gonna walk down these things, and you can kind of get more context for everything. And then we can go down here, and we're just gonna keep walking down, and we're just gonna go. You can see my feet as I go. Da, 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 da. Then we got another cool space here, Rua Felipe de Costa, and I think we might end our spot right here because this is a pretty cool little corner. Got all these little guayin ones. It's beautiful. Wow. A little bit hard to see in the dark, but these are all like guayin statues. Okay, got these chairs you can sit into, so we're just gonna end it right there. I think that's a good ending spot.
Toma cuidado la voz divina.